Hello, and thank you for clicking on this. So today we're going to be drawing Goku. He's actually one of my favorite characters growing up, and I just wanted to do him right with this drawing. So we're starting off with just some construction lines, just try to get the shapes and proportions correct. And as you can see, it takes a little bit of time, so don't worry about messing up. If anything, this is the best time to mess up, because it'd be a lot easier to fix any mistakes you make at this stage of the drawing. I'm gonna shut up for a bit so you can concentrate. Alright. Once you're happy with the construction lines, it's a good time to start adding some more details, trying to refine the shapes, making sure that the proportions are correct. People make it seem like drawing is extremely hard, but if you can draw shapes, you can definitely draw. One thing to note as you're drawing ears is that they tend to start at the eyebrows and end at the bottom of the noses. If you can accomplish that, then you're on your way to making a great piece of art. This is especially a good tip for portraits. We're about to start on the hair now. As I mentioned before, drawing is all about shapes. And in this case, for Goku, they're pretty much just bendy triangles. I decided to round out Goku's head just to make it easier for me to do the pointy ends of his hair. This is both the worst part and the best part of this piece because you know it's going to be take a little time. It's a lot of hair. But, you know, the more you fill it in, the better it will look. And you'll be impressed at the end result. If you're still drawing along, just keep shading, keep coloring. You're almost there. Also, make sure to sharpen your pencil every once in a while when it starts to get dull. It would just be better to get into the grains of the paper and make the hair look darker. That's definitely something I should have done here. Now we're just going to focus a little bit on the bottom half of this drawing, just defining shapes, shading if necessary, and working on the clothes as well. If you're still drawing along, how's the drawing coming? I bet it looks awesome. Alright, we should be 10 minutes into this drawing. We're almost done with it, okay? Now I'm just darkening some lines to make the drawing really pop out. Alright, so that's about it. What do you think? So here I took some more time off screen to really define the lines, darken the hair, to really make the drawing stand out. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If there are any characters you'd like me to draw, just let me know in the comments section. Alright, bye bye. Then, if you just put a little bit more work, it could look like this. If you'd like me to draw any of your favorite characters, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much, and take care.